What's up, everybody? This is Mark at GotMomoStocks.com, and today I'll be going over EKNL, EKO International Corp. I'd like to clarify that we were the first ones at GotMomoStocks.com to alert EKNL. We did it on a Friday the 13th, 2012, and there's a lot of people that are saying that they alerted it first, a lot of newsletters, etc. We alerted it first. This is the home of EKNL. Let's take a look at the chart and go from there of what we expect in the future and the current price movement. So as you can see, virtually there's no movement or volume at all until we hit December. As we get further in December, there's quite a bit of movement, and we start to see, as we alerted over the weekend, there's even more movement on that Monday. Now let's take a look at some of the indicators. The RSI shows some consolidation on the last trading day, Friday, this past Friday. And we also see that, which is a good thing, because a lot of people are buying into this and holding. Okay, we see throughout the pattern of this chart, as in any stock that's out in breakout mode, we'll see that it starts to cross and peek through the upper Bollinger Band, and it'll make headway and stay above. It might dip down, but it's going to push right off of the upper Bollinger Band. This confirms the breakout mode, and we expect it to head up to 50 cents this coming week and up to $1. We also have the parabolic SARs. Throughout December, until we alerted, it was on the top, which shows downward pressure. But as soon as we alerted, the parabolic SARs, which is these purple dots here, flips underneath and shows upward momentum and support and continued long-term movement. Okay. We can also see that there is an increase in volume and momentum through the MACD line. Another great sign is the accumulation and distribution. As we can see, there's quite a bit of accumulation, pretty steady throughout December, and then to our alert, we see a heavy increase, a sharp increase here of accumulation. And it's this past Friday, we saw this black candle, so there was a little bit of selling pressure. As it touched that Bollinger Band, it popped right back up, and it shows increased demand for this stock. Another great sign is the increase in volume. As we see here, throughout the week from our alert, it steadily increases, and then we had a nice white candle on Thursday and a spike in volume. As we see on Friday, a little pullback on volume, but with any chart that's in breakout mode or any stock, you can expect to see a healthy pullback to reload and then continue upward. As far as we see, like I said before, a price target of 50 cents and then $1 easy. Looking at the level 2 for EKNL, we can see that it is extremely thin. Very, very small orders of 5,000, and then we jump right to 30 cents, another 5,000 order. And then we make a huge leap to 48 cents with 5,000 on the bid. And as you can see, it's extremely thin as we make another leap to 51 cents and then $1.92. So this thing moves on air. EKNL is very, very easy to move. Just looking for slaps on the ask, as it's very, very hard to get stock at the bid. No one is giving up their shares, and the insiders are not selling. To be able to even get EKNL, you really have to slap the ask. Just know that we have a 50 cent price target and $1. As you can see, this is very feasible looking at the level 2. Again, EKNL was alerted first by GotMomoStocks.com. A couple of things that we find interesting about the stock itself is that there's only 153,000 shares of EKNL in total in the DTC. It is extremely tight float. There's no dilution. It's a reverse merger play, just like Drop. And there's over 2 million shares traded already. But there's only 153,000 shares in the DTC. So it's a dead giveaway that there's naked short selling involved in this stock. Anyone requesting a EKNL stock certificate will have a failure to deliver because the stock basically doesn't exist, and they're going to be forced to sell at a premium. This is going to force the stock price upward. The chart looks primed and ready for a nice healthy blast upward again. As we saw, it's kind of hard to get increased volume and momentum on a Friday. A lot of investors don't like to hold over the weekends. All of this information is available as well and can be verified at otcmarkets.com. I appreciate all of your time, and we look forward to seeing you on Monday in our stock chat room at gotmomostocks.com.